Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we're gonna go from this to this. We'll go over all the steps on how to get it installed. The auger was an attachment that I bought through Alibaba. And yeah, let's see how it goes. When I purchased the mini excavator, I got a bunch of different options, including the thumb, the cab, and this auger. I have never used it, so today we're gonna go through the procedures for attaching it. When they first came, they forgot to tighten down these caps at the end, so there was hydraulic fluid all over the container. But whatever, we're gonna do it today. So anyway, this piece right here probably weighs about 100 pounds. I would say the auger might be 30 pounds. So pretty heavy duty, that guy. So figure out, we're probably gonna have to just take the bucket off by removing, let's see here, these two pins right here. So let's get started. Here is where we are so far. Got the bucket off. It was not very hard. Put all the hardware in there. It weighs probably about 150 pounds. I put a piece of plywood underneath and adjusted the boom so that the holes there where I'm going to slide the pins through are about 23 inches from the plywood. Measured out this motor, auger motor, and it is 22 inches from the tip over here all the way up to there. So since it's pretty heavy, I don't want to have to lift it a whole bunch. So next now, remove these pins or these bolts so that I can lubricate the pins and lift it up and slide it through. I've been working on those pins for a while. They were really hard to get out. I could probably freeze these and heat up the metal here so that this expands and those shrink. So maybe that'll be easier, or maybe if they're just lubricated to in the first place, it might go well. So before I start with the heat and cold, I'll just try lube. Anyway, they're out. I'm gonna place it over here and get going. Finally got the auger motor attached. It was not super easy to get the pins out. I ended up having to get my sledgehammer and knock those pins out, these ones. So that was no fun. Next after that, I went ahead and attached it. I attached it the wrong way, because you can see when the boom goes up and down, it also goes a little bit inward. So when that happens, it compensates in the auger motor by having this tilt. And I had it set up the wrong way. So because of that, it would not compensate. So now I flipped it around. All I have to do now is to attach these hydraulic lines up here. So I got one here and one on the other side here. So currently they're set up to go press on the thumb right here. But there's a three-way right there. So I just have to adjust both of them. It's done. It took a lot longer than I thought it was going to, just because all the pins were so hard to get in and out, and the tolerances were super tight. To attach the auger to the motor was very, very difficult. It is a very cold day. I tried to expand this one with just my heat gun. Did not work well. So what I ended up doing was getting it in there a little bit and then putting the entire weight of the excavator on it. That put pressure on it, but it still wouldn't go in because it was slightly off kilter. So I hit it on the side with the hammer, and it just slowly went in. So it's in now, it works, but as you can see, it's just almost touching the ground when I'm parked in this way. So to move around with it, you really got to move the boom forward so that it swings up into the air. I'm going to go ahead and mount the camera on the tripod and see if we can't drill a test hole. Let's check it out. That is a nice clean looking hole. So I would say great success. All right, that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Cheers.